Hello and welcome to the Met Office forecast for the weekend. A weekend of contrasts across the country, both from day to day and from place to place. England and Wales, for example, a very wet Saturday to come, followed by a remarkably different but sunny Sunday. Meanwhile, Scotland and Northern Ireland will be mainly bright throughout, but we'll also have some blustery showers brought in by a cold wind. That wind particularly fierce for latter half of Friday for the far north of Scotland. Blustery showers here. Further south, cloudier skies for central and southern Scotland, Northern Ireland. Outbreaks of rain in the far south of Scotland during Friday, but it's across northern England, Wales and the southwest where the heaviest and most persistent rainfall sets in during Friday, and in some places will stick around for 36 hours. Because this isn't a weather front in a hurry, it's a wriggling weather front with what we call waves on it, and that will keep it in the same place, central parts of the country, during much of Friday and Saturday. It's a clash between subtropical air coming up from the southwest and cold polar air coming in from the northwest. And where those air masses clash, we've got wet and windy weather and a significant temperature contrast. This is first thing Saturday. Some parts of the south coast, 16 degrees. And then you go further north and you get into much colder air, a frost possible across northern parts of Britain. But a bright start. North of the central belt, sunny spells and blustery showers. Further south, a lot of cloud cover and some very wet and windy weather for Wales and the southwest in particular. This is first thing Saturday, and you can see the heavy rainfall there from the word go. Wales and the southwest, heaviest rain over the hills and the strongest winds around exposed coasts and hills. 50-mile-per-hour gusts likely in exposed spots. But there will be some areas that experience wet and windy weather even away from hills and coasts. You can see this line of fairly intense rainfall that will go through at some point. So this is where the weather front is, and that could pep up the winds, bring the risk of inland gales to parts of the country and some heavy rainfall for a time. But generally the rainfall will be heaviest and most prolonged over the higher ground. Bodmin, Exmoor, Dartmoor, the Welsh mountains seeing significant rainfall accumulations, and the Pennines. Now for the moors of the southwest, 90 millimetres is possible in some of the wetter spots, and for the Welsh mountains 120 mils, whilst for the Pennines it's possible that we'll accumulate 70 millimetres. Rainfall amounts that could cause localised flooding, travel disruption, and so in these areas a yellow warning in force. Meanwhile, further southeast, cloudy, yes, but dry through the morning before the rain reaches here later in the afternoon. The rain finally clearing during the afternoon from Wales and Western England, whilst we have sunny spells and blustery showers for much of Scotland and Northern Ireland, and that strong cold wind. Now that's going to help to clear this weather front on Saturday night, and by Sunday the colder air swinging its way south across all parts. And that means it's a brighter start to Sunday, but also a chilly start. In urban areas, generally 2, 3, 4 Celsius, but in the countryside, a widespread frost. Despite the chill in the air Sunday morning, plenty of sunshine. And for England and Wales, it's largely dry, just the odd shower for North Wales, for example, through the day. Scotland and Northern Ireland, a gustier wind here and frequent showers into the north and northwest of Scotland, parts of Northern Ireland. These showers rain at low levels, but possibility of snow over the Scottish mountains above 500 metres or so, even some hail and lightning in some of the livelier downpours. It's going to feel cold in that wind as well, temperatures around single figures in many places through the day on Sunday. But at least for England and Wales, Sunday is looking a lot brighter compared to Saturday. So lots of weather to keep ahead of over the next few days, and you can follow the Met Office on social media to catch all the latest. Bye-bye.